In response to security concerns, the administrators at Tacky High in St. Mary are hoping that with the installation of closed-circuit cameras, the school can be better monitored. The school's principal, Errol Basco, says the equipment have been placed at key areas on the property.
When we were installing the cameras, a lot of it happened during school time, you know. I am told that a lot of water throwing bags were pelted at the technicians.
Yes.
So now that we are installed, it would not have happened this time because no one wants. And I can tell you that the cameras that we have here now, we have a total coverage of the entire compound. So no one wants to take the risk.
Everything is can zoom in, it up to the pimpling as child facing can pick up with the system what him have right now. So it make his life easy, the dean of discipline life easy, and the administration staff. Because a lot of times you have students who took up teacher bag, come out with it, and then you can't hold nobody accountable for it. But this now you can able to see the writing and everything.